Hey guys, good evening. Right now the time is like 4:30 p.m. and today I'm going to show you sex park. Actually, this I don't know how it pronounced. This is SAX sex or sex park. And the first thing, let me show you my first scooter. This is my off-road scooter. It looks, in the video you might see it's a small, but it's a too huge. And here you can see the huge tires and huge acceleration and the meters. And I will show you the speed today. I ordered this scooter just a few days ago, and today I just received it. I have to check the range and acceleration is power. So now I'm going to on the trail or street everywhere. So I'm planning to go sex park, which is situated in Skimalt. So go there guys, and I will show you the capacity of this scooter. Okay, I'm not pretty much used to it, so I'm riding very slowly. So fast. And I'm also have to try this uphill. Okay, this is a steady mode, hey? And this is a trail. और 28 के स्पीड में ज़्यादा रहेछ यो है. Oh, let's go. कति भन्यो यार, मलाई एउटा उकालो चेक गर्नुपर्ने थियो गाइज है. यहाँ एउटा उकालो छ. सो टर्बो मोडमा छ हैन. यहाँ एउटा उकालो छ. सो म चाहिँ उकालो चेक गर्नुपर्ने छ मलाई. अपहिल छ है, त्यो एकचोटि चेक गरौँ. Oh, this is a uphill like a 40 degree. Oh man, it's so power. Oh shit man. Okay, okay, so now I check the uphill test, and the scooter is passed uphill test. So let's go this side guys. And I also have to check the brake system. Like now I'm riding like a bike. I know it's a scooter, but definitely it's so fast than bike. Hopefully that I know I'm filming very well this. Oh. Actually, I'm really enjoying guys. But it doesn't work actually. I have to let it work. my small scooter. So I came here in this beautiful place. This is called Ski Mount. अनि यहाँबाट चाहिँ तपाईले राम्रो भ्यू हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. मेरो स्कुटी चाहिँ यहाँ छ है. अनि it's amazing views guys है. There can be small island भित्र नै island छ यहाँ है. Going like a two line only, so hopefully this two line would enough for to reach my home. Awesome man, awesome guy. उकालो त क्या आउनाले तान्ने यार. Yeah, it's so good man. Oh, 45 speed guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Turbo speed is so amazing guys. STD mode is no more than 28, but eco mode, turbo mode is so amazing guys. My legs are tired actually to control this scooter. Amazing power. And I will show you guys, there is a one this side is a Sucks Park. Last time my friends he took me there. Oh god man, so fast man. Oh, this is beast man, this is beast. Oh man, really fast man. You can see. Oh shit man, super fast man. This is really beast, really beast. Super amazing scooter guys. Oh no man, I should go back. I'm a motherfucking millionaire. Oh, this is Parliament building, guys. है जानु पर्ला एउटा आइसक्यो ब्याट्री यताबाट जाउँ यताबाट जाउँ यता जाउँ यो चाहिँ टुर दामी भयो है सो फाइनली battery is completely drained. My scooter is about to turn off and I rode almost like 25 kilometers, but this is my first charge from the company. Company बाट चाहिँ यो फर्स्ट चार्ज थियो मेरो त्यही भएर actually I cannot find out यसको mileage चाहिँ हैन, but yeah, it was so good ride, almost 20 kilometers or more than 25 kilometers. It was so fun. अनि त्यही गाइस अब म घर आइपुगे एकछिन बस्छु and then I will take a rest because you know that vibration makes my legs tired है कस्तो त्यो खुट्टा थाके जस्तो भयो सो त्यही भएर एकछिन चाहिँ म अब रेस्ट गर्छु र यसलाई पनि म चार्जमा हाल्छु सो see you on my next video guys.